Learn the following interrogative particles. Ma. Ma means what. It's used in questions without verbs. For example, ma hada or ma hadahi. What is this? Matha. Matha means what, but matha is used in questions with verbs. For example, matha tedrusu or matha ta'amalu. Matha tedrusu, what do you study? Matha ta'amalu, what work do you do? Aya. Aya means which. For example, Aya mektab al-ustadha Laura. Man. Man means who. For example, man huwa Dr. Sami. Aina. Aina means where. For example, Aina al-kitab. Al-kitab ala al-maktab. Kaifa. Kaifa means how. For example, Kaifa haluka or Kaifa haluki. How are you? Min aina. Min aina means from where. For example, min aina anta or min aina huwa. Where is he from? Fi aya. In which. For example, fi aya saf al-ustadha. In which classroom is the professor? Ma'man. With whom? For example, Ma'man tadrusina fil maktaba. With whom do you study in the library? Let's look at some more examples. Man hiya. Man hiya. Who is she? Aina teskunu maha. Aina teskunu maha. Where does Maha live? Min aina anti. Min aina anti. Where are you from? Kaifa nakul blank bil Arabi. How do we say a particular word in Arabic? Kaifa al-hal. How are things? Ma hada. Ma hada. What is this? When you're referring to something masculine. Ma hadahi. Ma hadahi. What is this? If you're referring to something feminine in gender. Matha tedrusu maha. Matha tedrusu maha. What does Maha study? Fi aya jamia tedrusu. Fi aya jamia tedrusu. In which university do you study?